Kuble pi baro te kini jingkli hang ni kidai nak benta ka D.El.Ed entrance test but kadai nak benta ka ni ka education kidon jingkli kisai ai kandiat by day but ka education te hang ni ngi pe kato kat ni jingkli by day but ka ni. Question 1. Rima's eyes are brown just like her mother's. Which of the following is the reason for the color of her eyes being brown? A. The growth, B. Motivation, C. Heredity, D. Maturity. Answer hang ni kadai ka option C. Heredity. Question 2. Any one of the following may be the most correct reason for individual differences. Option A. Heredity only, B. Environment only, C. Both heredity and environment, D. Learning, memory and maturity. Answer hang ni kadai both heredity and environment. Question 3. Which of the following is not, kani day not, a principle of development? Ka A kadai the principle of specificity from general, B the principle of aggression, C the principle of sequential development, D the principle of integration. Hang ni not a principle kadai kani ka option B the principle of aggression. Barok kini lightly kidai ki principle jong ka development like no kani ka principle of aggression. Number 4. Different types of plays are helpful in promoting dash among students. A. Insensitivity, depression, B. Aggression, loneliness, C. Self-confidence, problem solving, D. Passiveness, laziness. Answer kadai option C. Self-confidence, problem solving. Number 5. Factors which help a child's physical growth and development are A. Heredity, B. Environment, C. Neither heredity nor environment, D. Both heredity and environment. Kani kadai biang both heredity and environment. 6. An individual underlying potential for acquiring skills is known as A. Intelligence, B. Personality, C. Aptitude, D. Value. Answer kadai option C. Aptitude. 7. In which of the following skill testing of previous knowledge comes? A. Skill of demonstration, B. Skill of introduction, C. Skill of stimulus variation, D. Skill of closure. Kani testing of previous knowledge comes kani under the skill of introduction. 8. Which of the following is not related with cognitive domain? Not related. Answer kadai ka A. Knowledge, B. Application, C. Valuing, D. Understanding. Ka answer day valuing. Kani knowledge, application, understanding kadai by day but ka cognitive domain like no kani ka option C. Valuing tagadaw kadai ka answer day kani. 9. A suitable method of teaching primary class children is A. Trial and error method, B. Imitation method, C. Lecture method, D. Playway method. Suitable method of teaching primary class children is answer the option D. Playway method. Number 10. Which step is prominent in the syntax of teaching model of memory level and understanding level? A. Planning, B. Exploration, C. Presentation, D. None of the above. Ni ka answer kadai kani ka presentation. Tang kani kublai shibon.